What's up? Welcome back for another video. Welcome to Triple Play Saturday Round 2. Tell me, people, how is the cookout going thus far? Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Triple Play Saturday Round 2. And Round 2 is Super Bowls. I don't know what you guys got going on for the holiday weekend, if you're going to a family function, or if you're going out later on at night, but this watch face will fit any occasion. Let's check it out. Let's just check it out. The name of the watch face is called Viva Night. Now, I like to look at this watch face, very different, of course, very unique. In the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down in a black and white theme. You'll still be able to see your time at a glance. And when the watch face is on, you got some color. I like the layout of this watch face, very different. You got a smooth second hand going around the bezel of the watch. It's an analog watch face. You get the best of both worlds. You get analog and digital. If you look at up at the top, I like that PM stamp right there. Very unique. And you also get your date. You come down, you got an alarm, you got your battery info, you got shortcuts going around the bezel of the watch, and it is an active. In order to set it off, you got to double tap in order to get to that info. Going to tap on pulse. Of course, that's your heart rate information, calories burned. Of course, you tap here, you can go and get your step status. This is a very useful watch face. I'm liking it. You also got settings right there. You can make a phone call and you can check your mail. All right, you all, I don't know what you think about this watch face, but I think it's really nice. Now, let's check out one more thing. I'm going to double tap. Now you can change the color of this watch face. We're going to cycle through all of them, just so you can have an idea of what this watch face has to offer. And I think it offers a lot. It gives you 14 different color changes in all. And we're going to cycle through them really quick because I really want you to see the awesome colors that this watch face has to offer. And I thought the developer definitely did a great job with this watch face. It's very unique. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're eating some barbecue for me. And if so, listen, just enjoy the day. All right, you all, if you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, I will see you all at the next one. Take care.